eyenza ukuthi size Northdale Hospital ukuthi in the past few years umuntu ubezwa ukuthi kukhona inkinga na eyikhona ezithize. So I thought ukuthi mhlambe ku visit yami yokuqala kusuku lwami lwesibili emsebenzini angeke ngifike nje la esibhedlela ngizobona ukuthi zisekhona yini inkinga lezi akade ababebhekene nazo ekuqaleni, uma zikhona yini inkinga zakhona bangasizakala kanjani. I must say ukuthi uma sihamba umuntu was quite impressed. Isibhedlela kona kuyisibhedlela esidala esincane futhi okubonakalayo ukuthi sinama challenges okugcwala, mhlambi ikhona iplan okufuna yenzeke kuzofuna uxoxwa ne department, kodwa isibhedlela system yakhona is working very well. Uma ufika uyabona ukuthi ikhona isystem ekhona, abantu bayasebenza, odokotela abakhona although bengebaningi, you need more doctors kodwa they are there and they are working. Into engangiphathanga kahle kakhulukazi into ye-admission, i-process yabo ye-admission kusasetshenziswa ama-files amadala afayilwe ngesystem endala, afayilwa ngamaphepha and so forth. And ngicabanga ukuthi kulesikhathi samanje kufuna sikwazi ukuthi simove beyond that. Ngiyakholelwa kakhulu ekutheni ukuletha an IT system ezokwazi ukuthi upgrade our system ye filing is the only thing ezokwazi ukuthi size. By the way, lokho kwenza ukuthi even i-turnaround time kwi-queue umuntu ozofuna ifile will be much shorter than umuntu osazohamba kuyofuna ifile lakhe ukuthi likuphi. Kodwa ke ngiyitholile imessage ukuthi i-department ibisike yakuzama in the past 2 years ukuthi ifake i-system entsha. Kwanama challenges akhona ngayo i-system nano service providers. Uzobona ukuthi kupho kunye okungenzeka. Ama visits ayasazoqhubeka wona, sizovakasha nje indaweni eziningi, ezibhedlela, emaklinikhi and any other institution okuyi institution yakwa health. Siyazi ukuthi zikhona indawo lapha abantu bakithi abakhala khona ngempatho kwesinye isikhathi noma befikile. Kwesinye isikhathi abanye oza ukuthi sisebenza nabo bakhala nge-environment abasebenza kuyona. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuyilokho kufuna sigcine siyibonele khona. So uma sisebenza nje sizobe siloku sifike indaweni sizibonele then kuze sikwazi ukuthi sithathe ama decisions are proper.